Nang itulak, basta you just have to run your hands up to feel the clay when it is turning. Sige, tulak mo dyan. Ayan. And then at the very tip, hold it a second and then release. And that's your bowl.
Ganda.
Oh. Diba?
Ang bowl.
Akin ang kamay mo. Akin ang kamay mo. Hindi. Okay. Pwede nang pang sinigang yan, pang bulalo, anything with a soup. Okay. We just have to smoothen it with a foam. Alisin dapat ang tubig para hindi nakaano sa bowl. Ganyan. And then, ganyan. Excuse me. Ngayon, alisin ko. You will have a